This isn't really an installation video because installation really isn't much to speak of. But it's about getting these kinds of things here. These little projector lights that project your logo down here on the ground when you open up your door. Which is kind of a cool thing to get. And easy enough to put in to the Altima, anything that has something like this. So here's something that I've had for a few years. 3 or so, not that many. And I guess you'd call these really inexpensive ones. So you can see what's happening here. First of all, I guess the way it makes the logo is there's some kind of film right here that it projects through. And if you can see, the film's kind of cracked. I don't know if it's heat or age, but it's cracked and split right there. And so the logo is just kind of fuzzy and loose. And it's also even kind of upside down. The first N is here, and so it reads facing that way. I don't know why that is. But you can see how that looks there. And there's kind of this sort of whole area of light which is concentrating on the logo there. Now there are better ones out there. And they look like this. So I just put these in, or the one on this side. And this is what's called a no fade projected logo. So the light says no fade on it, and you can see just how nice and crisp the logo is. It's actually facing the right way this time. Doesn't give a huge amount of light there when you open up the car, but it does look really, really nice and better than the cheaper ones. Although these don't really cost that much more. They're not expensive. And the odd thing is, there it is, they really do look the same as far as the actual piece of hardware. And this is what they're actually like. This one right here is my older one, the one that is not very good quality. And then right here, we've got the new one I'm going to put in that has the better looking logo. So if we take a look at the details here, there's just no difference that I can see. Even trying to look at the projector light that goes down to the ground and that kind of stuff. Again, here's the one that's not great quality, or the older one. Really looks about the same. This one's kind of loose, so I'm not really sure if that's age or what. But as far as anything else, I can't look at it and say that it's a better quality here. So anyway, if you're going to do this, which is kind of a cool idea, I think, I recommend the ones that do say no fade. And once again, there's no real instructions for me to tell you. Basically, just kind of pop it out and then plug in right there, the plug, and just kind of pop it back in. Really simple. No point in me going through that. Interior panel removal tool is handy to pull this out, or if not, just a flathead screwdriver. And then you just kind of pop that out right here along the top, or even just with your fingers. Just grab it out and kind of pop it out there. So, yeah, go for the better quality. The no fade projector logo light. So just kind of plug it in right there. It's easy enough to do. Line up the little parts hanging out here. You can see kind of where they go. And then just pop it back into place. There, that's it. And you've got a much better logo there on the ground. Just looks a lot nicer overall. And installation is barely even a minute. So just kind of keep in mind which are the good ones and which are the not so good ones. Look for the no fade logo, and you'll be good to go for this one.